Hello, my name is Denisa.
And I'm Erko.
And we are both from Australia. We are here as a new English language assistant.
Yeah, so our goal and objectives as the new English language assistants is to provide the students of this school an opportunity to have conversations with native English speakers such as ourselves, which allows them to get used to maybe different speed of speeches, different accents, and I guess sometimes even different vocabulary and metaphors. So it's what we want is for the students to develop that skill, to be able to communicate with us in English, which will give them the confidence and the knowledge, the know-how to go out into the world and speak English very confidently and correctly. What surprised us about this school is when we came to the school, it was the level of English that the students already have at the school. We were able to come into the school and straight off start speaking and communicating English with all the students, and they would be able to understand us. We would be able to understand them, which is the goal when learning different languages. But just the level of English that these students already have was very impressive. I think credit goes to the school for giving these students the opportunity and the skills to develop the English language, where it's already at a very good level.
What we like about the school is the culture and how supportive everybody is, from teachers to students. We both love coming to work. And thank you.
Bye.